Charge!
Hey all, Dwarf Lord here, logging into the PTR. We're gonna roast these characters. I don't want to rip on Blizzard too much, but basically every single one of these characters is horrible, 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 horrible. Whether the gear is not meant for that character, they don't hit a breakpoint. It just is the stat placement, the skill placement, just it's like they've never played the game. So we're just gonna kind of roast and rip these characters. Um, I'm really looking forward to 2.4. It's gonna be fun. I get that this beta was a stress test, but you know, who's gonna play the game in stress tests if the characters are unplayable? So we're just gonna kind of tear these characters apart for fun, just for fun. I love Diablo, but we're gonna rip on this a bit. It's a bit of a long video, but hopefully you find the comedy in this. Alright, let's get started. Our lightning sorceress is at the 105 breakpoint. Like the gear is fine, except we're using storm shield instead of spirit. And it's max block, but we don't hit our breakpoint. If it was a FCR neck, no problem. But we have 40, 60, 80, 105. So that's a bit of an issue. Fire resistance is a bit low. Got this real nice charm. I just wanted to basically show you that. Now, okay, does this look like a Hammerden to you? Maybe they got the names wrong. Where's Smite? Where was Smite? We'll check you out after. Let's look at Hammerden. It's not quite a Hammerden. Hammerden? Dracules? BK? This guy looks like he's about a grief. This guy looks like he's about ready to... It's a nice charm there. He's gonna go kill Ubers. He's got Fanaticism max, but he has all of the Hammerden skills maxed. Right, so we can go Hammer and Concentration. We've got a solid 11,000 Hammer. I don't know what's going on here. No Enigma. Just kidding. We have Enigma on the merc. Eth Shaco. No life leech on this build. I don't know what's going on. Maybe give you some life leech and give us Enigma. But now our resistance suck. Let's look at the smite. What is smite? What's the smite pally? Is it maybe it's actually smite? Okay, we got last wish and exile. Metal grid because smite really needs attack rating. Okay. Okay. Alrighty. Chance to block 57 with Holy Shield, so we don't even have max block. I mean, I can do Battle Command and Holy Shield. Is this a bit better? 58, no. So we don't have max block on this build. That's a thing. So we have Smite, Fanaticism. Base level 18, so a level 99 character can't even max Fanaticism on their Smiter. Okay. We have Zeal. How much damage do we do with Zeal? What kind of mercenary is this? I can't tell. It's a it's a Defiance mercenary, but our shield has Defiance. Now here's something I don't get is our trap. Where's traps? Traps. So our trap assassin uses a 30 Heart of the Oak, 30 Hodo. But when we go to the stash, we have a 40. I don't get this. Here, let's take the spirit and put it in there in case someone else needs spirit. And this is a lightning trapper, but we don't have fade. Our resistances are decent, so maybe that's a reason to not have fade. But yeah, it's just not good. Okay, where's our whirlwind barb? This was I think that our mercenary was a might merc on the whirlwind barb, which is using last wish. Let's double check that. Our switch is grief and storm shield, so we don't have a battle order switch. We don't have any mana leech on this build, so a level 99 character needs to use mana potions to whirlwind. It's kind of disappointing. Let's just see last wish. See, our is he might aura? We'll have to see. Let's see. We'll leave last wish there. What order do you have, Mr. Merce? Ah! They're mana burning. Where's your aura, my dude? Mana shrine, that's useful. Oh! It is a might aura merce. We have a might aura merce and a last wish. Called it. Why do we have a might aura merce and a last wish? You know what I'm gonna do with that last wish? I'm gonna leave it at the waypoint. We don't want that piece of crap. Stupid last wish. Okay, what else do we have here? I didn't look at the druids. I looked at the Poison Nova Necro, and it was actually built pretty good, I would say. Let's look at the Druid. We're not going to look at all these. That would be a big waste of time. Okay, this has some decent charms. We're using Suitside Branch, Jaw. Interesting socket choices. Shape-shifting skills. We have shape-shifting skills on our Druid. This Druid is using Storm Shield, therefore we assume that we're doing a 99 FCR build. So we have 20 on the gloves, 50 on the Suicide Branch, 20 on the Iraq. You know, I'm not the greatest at math, but I believe this is, let me see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, we're not hitting the 99 FCR breakpoint. So this is another character that doesn't hit the breakpoint. We have Infinity on a Wind Druid that does physical damage. instead of a Reaper's Toll, which would proc Decrepify, and we haven't socketed this helmet. Okay. Oh, we have Amara's in the stash. We're using this crappy shapeshift necklace, but we have Amara's in the stash. But we needed this thing, the strength. Oh my gosh. And this is a max block build.
Yes.
So, and you can't respec. Alright, you know what I think of this druid? I'll tell you what I think of this druid. Sucks. This druid sucks. And here's another awesome gear choice. So we've got an ice Zon, but the gloves are javelin gloves with no increased attack speed, just something you would pick up and immediately throw back down. I don't understand the gloves. Everything else in the gear, I think it's okay. I haven't checked the breakpoints on attack speed. It might not hit the full attack speed breakpoint, but it doesn't have bow skills. Yeah, pretty bad. Where's Berserk? So this barbarian, first of all, is not using laying of the hands, is using chance guards, which you could make that call, I suppose. However, we're using a Cham Shako, and look at these rings. These rings are horrendous. I don't get it. We have Enigma. This build has 0 FCR, double grief on a Berserk Barb. This is a Berserk Barb. Doesn't have a Whirlwind. Double grief on the switch. I don't know why you need double grief on switch. And this Barb has level 28 battle command, a level 12 battle orders. I don't know what that's all about. And the FCR is pretty low. Pretty low FCR. Let's kill some demons with a, we don't have any 350% damage to demon gloves. We still kill stuff. Players won. Pretty bad build there. 3,000 health. 3,000 health on a level 99. I think we'll leave it at that. You can log into the test realm and play the other characters. I don't think you'll have a lot of fun. Not trying to rip on Blizzard too much here, but yeah. They had to make a token character because Akara respecs were not working, so people could respec the really bad characters. Oh yeah, there's the spirit output. Anyways, I just wanted to kind of laugh at some of these gear choices.